As the world grows, as the society goes forward, as the future times come, the complexity and the complex challenges will keep growing. A chaos will keep growing, and within that chaos, in all spheres of life, maybe political, economic, technological, social, cultural, religious, or any other, the complexity will definitely be growing exponentially with the complex challenges emerging almost at all times. Now, what is our importance or our need uh, to approach these problems? It has to be the logic, creativity, and innovation so that you can solve the complex problems and challenges. Now, these things they integrate rational, emotional, and systemic intelligence together into generating new type of solutions. And this is going to be the core of 21st century cognitive skill development. This shift will be applicable across all leadership, education, and innovation systems. And this is what anchors human capability in adaptive intelligence. That means you have to keep adapting to new reality. After all, Darwin's theory of natural selection plays a big role in adaptations. Now, what do you need to do? Are the architecture of thought, architecture of reasoning. Uh, you have to distinguish signals from noise, and that is the core of rational decision making under uncertainty. We all know that with the emergence of big data, a lot of data is emerging from all areas, from all directions, from all sections, and we need to make right choices. Uh, 90% of the data that is being generated is redundant, useless junk, and we need to filter out that to come to certain um, conclusions. This reasoning has to balance intuition and logic for holistic judgment. Both system 1 and system 2 have to work together to give people the right solution. It also builds self corruption through falsifiability and counter evidence. Reasoning will strengthen transparency and communicable reasoning in the teams. Rationality forms the foundation of strategic and ethical thinking for future. That is what is going to be necessary. As far as the problem solving is concerned, our approach is to convert ambiguity into structured opportunities. Not all threats are threats, they are all opportunities. Not the strengths are weaknesses are strengths. In fact, all weaknesses have extreme potential to get converted into strengths. So, what happens is you have to integrate creativity with the constraints to enable practical innovation through iteration, through feedback, and through perseverance. That's how you'll be able to reach to multidimensional solutions across social and technical systems. What problem solving approach does is to build autonomy, ownership, and confidence in individuals and organizations to come to conclusions. The power of original thinking will always play its role. You have to keep generating novel ideas that disrupt status quo and fuel innovation. No more following the old traditions, the old ways. You can always brainstorm to get to new levels. It promotes divergent thinking and cross-domain fusion over creative synthesis. What is important is to build to emotional and social resonance ideas that move people and can translate visions into prototypes through structured experimentation. Uh, Ideation seeds innovation ecosystems and creative economies. Integration reasoning is to be integrated with ideation for complex systems so that you can tackle wicked problems through rational empathy and systems mapping, employ abductive reasoning for speculative foresight, enable co-creative interdisciplinary problem solving, and strengthen organization's agility and strategic foresight. What integration will do is it will link ethics, analysis, and imagination to sustainable futures. That's how you can future-proof the humanity. Through being creative, you can enhance higher order cognition to resist automation. You can build adaptive, innovative driven societies and cultivate democratic reasoning and digital citizenship in future machines and men are going to work together. And it will shape the culture of innovation and ethical progress. Well, the whole process asserts that thinking and creativity are sacred human powers and they will ultimately rule the earth. Thank you very much.